Good morning, everyone. Today, we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate the 57th Independence Day of our country. We need to ask those born before 1947 to know the pangs of being enslaved under a colonial rule. For every Indian in those days, it was indeed a heroic task to fight against those powerful giants, the British. Those difficult times and struggles must not be allowed to fade away from our memories. Hence, every Independence Day, we not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to the ones who fought for it and to the ones who held a vision for our country and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same. The idea of being independent nation where sovereign power lies within us to determine our future places a huge role, a huge responsibility on our shoulders. On this occasion, our thought turns first to Mahatma Gandhi, the man behind our struggle for freedom and the martyrs who made the supreme sacrifice for our country's liberty. We are also reminded the relentless struggle of our great patriots who liberate our motherland from colonial rule. There is a big celebration each year in New Delhi at Rajpath, where the national anthem is sung after the Prime Minister hoists the flag. Also, a salute is given to the national flag by firing 21 guns with national anthem, and the flowers are showered by helicopter. All the forces take part in parades. In the end, we cannot merely say that 15th August is only about freedom. This day is also about of emotion. It's also about our emotions. It reminds us of the pain of being enslaved, of the strength in unity. It defines sacrifice. It gives us an example that some wars can be won with non-violence and all of the things. It makes us value and cherish the freedom we have today. It is our responsibility as proud citizens of this country to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Keeping the sacrifices of our ancestors in mind, we should take an oath to carve a better future for our motherland. Thank you. Jai Hind.